GU. We have grown into many other pairs. All right, so we are going to try and find out what other pairs work. Okay, excellent. It's too loud. Okay, my audio is too loud. Let me reduce it. I'm going to reduce it. Okay, but you can also reduce your volume as well. Okay, it's two-way. All right, let me try and reduce it. All right, if it's too low, let me know. All right. Fortunate. Hello. It's too loud. I'll take it down. Don't worry. You're just too excited. Maybe I'm too excited. Don't mind me, okay? Bull show. How you doing, sir? NC. Okay, it doesn't work on Apple iPads. You know all these technology things. You know, iPad and Apple operating system different from Windows. So I think we may find something that work on Apple as well. All right, so let's do some work. Let's do some work. Okay, so don't mind me if you are here for the first time. Just watch on for now. Just watch the magic. Watch the magic like the veterans. Give the veterans the space to operate. Give veterans the place to operate. I'm talking of Nkube. I'm talking of who else? I'll call their names out. Robert. I'm talking of Robert. Who else is here? Who is a veteran? Okay, 2 veterans today. Only 2 veterans today. Wow. Okay, if you think you are a veteran, let me know. Okay. All right. So veterans and everybody else. Okay, give me the trigger candle. What's our trigger candle here? This bullish candle is number 1. Bearish candle is number 2. This is number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want my best guys to answer those questions. Okay. All right. You can't see session. What do you mean? Okay. I declare 3. Okay. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay. Simple 5, Jacob 5, Omotosho 5, Elim 4. Simple 4, Jacob 4, Omotosho 4, Elim 4, Amusa 4, Shiman. Hello Shiman, how are you? Thanks for your invitation. Nice. 6, Nkube 4, Eric 4, Busho 3, Shiman 7. Okay, all right. Let's see. Maxmat 4. Okay. All right. Okay. That's good ones. Keep it coming. 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 Muhammad Omar. Yes. It's a veteran. Yes. Omar is a veteran. All right. Omar is a veteran. I'm trying to remember the veterans here. Omar is one of them. Okay. All right, excellent. Okay, great stuff. All right, let's see. All right, Kenneth is 4. Okay, Robert is 4. Shimon is hello, Shimon. Cool. All right, let's look at the answer. All right. Now, if you tell me your answer is this big bullish candle, definitely you are wrong. Okay, so Okoli say 4. You are wrong because this big bullish candle is halfway in, halfway out. A trigger candle is a candle that is formed completely outside of the box. It's not going to be touching the line anyway. So this one is not our trigger box. It's formed, some of it is inside, some of it outside, and it's touching the line. No way. The next one, number 2, is not also correct because some of it is inside, some of it is outside. No way. Number 3 is not our candle because although majority of it is outside, but you can see it is touching the line. You can see the wick is touching the line. And then look at this, our break. The break candle. Right. This solid break is completely outside of the box and it's not touching the line. Okay. So number 1 is wrong, 2 is wrong, 3 is wrong. Number 4 is the correct answer. Okay. If you pick number 5, you are also wrong, even though number 5 also meets the same criteria as number 4. But we have found what we are looking for in number 4, so we stop looking. So that's why number 5 is just a second thought. Number 5 is too late. It's too late. Number 5 is too late. So we got number 4. All right. So when you get your candle you are looking for, what you need to do is to put your sell order at the close of that candle. All right. So we put our sell order at the close of that candle. So the candle closes there. That is where you sell from. Okay. When you sell at that level, you put your stop loss right here at the top of the top line, or 1 or 2 pips above it is your stop loss, and you got to set take profit target. You can set multiple profit targets, TP1, TP2, TP3, as many as you want. So, but what is the first TP anyway? The first target will be the size of this box. I'm sure we have had that many times. So 24.5 pips, let's round it up and say it's 25 pips. Yeah, for easy calculation. 25 pip box. I like when the box is like 25 pips. It's a good size of pips to find. So now we know the box size. Our profit target is 25 pips. That's our TP1. We can set, as I said, we can set multiple take profit target. We can set TP2, which will be twice the size of the box. TP3, the size, twice the size of the box is TP2. 3 times the size of the box is TP3. 4 times the size of the box is TP4. 5 times the size of the box is TP5. Okay, so that is how we set the TP. So now let's see how many, whether we're able to hit our take profit target. Sorry, from this line. From the line we have sold our position. From that line, how many TP can we find? So 25. Okay, so this is 25 already. That's TP1 done. 50. TP2 done. 75. TP3 done. Do we get up to TP4? 100. Sure. This is 106. So you got TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 on GU today. And after that, nothing is happening. It's just moving around aimlessly. But you have milked every bit of juice. you have sucked GU dry today. Hey, who have sucked GU dry today? Someone has sucked GU dry today. My goodness. Right. Increase your YouTube pixel. Okay, pixel. What is a pixel? All right, let's see what's going on. Can you guys not see it? All right, let me check. Oh, hang on, let me check what's going on. Yeah, it should be good. What is there any problem? Check. You can refresh. What you can do is actually you can refresh your own screen. Okay, refresh your own screen. If you are getting a bad picture, just refresh it. Okay. Good question, Pat. How can we eradicate false signal on SBS? That has been the problem. Okay, yes, we will talk about it as well. Okay, so we are going to work all together to get the best out of SBS. We have brought the basic package out, which is the SBS, and we can do even much better. All right. Okay, why do we not count the first candle that broke the line? Okay, NC. All right, so good question. Okay, so all right, you see, when I can't, I see your question. When I can't, the counting is just for you to give you guys exercise to do. It doesn't matter where I count from. Let's say I start counting from here. I can start counting from here. Wherever I like to count from, I can count from here. Why I'm counting is I want you guys to identify this candle for me. So any number that places on that candle, if you call it on YouTube now, that means you know what candle you are looking for. So I started from this one. I counted number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. People call it number 4, which is correct. Let's say I go with your suggestion. I start from this first candle. I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you think the answer will be? Yeah, the answer will be 5. Instead of saying 4, all of you guys will say 5 because I've started counting here. So the counting is not important at all. The counting is just for the exercise on YouTube. The most important thing is the candle we are looking for is the characteristic of the candle. Is the only candle, the first candle that is formed outside of the box and it's not touching the line. All right, I hope you got it clear. NC, yeah. No, I'm not sure you haven't missed much. You haven't missed much. We just started, all right? We just started, okay? All right, so we're going to see how we can identify first breakout, okay? So we have seen this now. We've seen this one. We see that we have made 4 TPs on that one, okay? And another question people ask is, how can you manage all the TPs, okay? The suggestion I provided was, if you know you are going to trade, let's say 1 mini lot, 0.1, okay? So instead of putting your 0.1 position at once, you can break it into 4 or into 5. Let's say you break it into 5. So you make it 0.02, 5 times. That will give you 0.1 mini lot. Okay, so you trade 2 micro lots. So what you do now is that you place 5 trades, each of them 0.02. And trade number 1, we have a trigger target, a TP1. So the target for trade 1 is your TP1. The target for trade 2 is TP2. Okay, these are approximately. The target for trade 3 is TP3. The next one is TP4. Maybe the last trade is TP5. Okay, maybe it's TP5. So you went into trade with 5 positions. Okay, 0.02, 0.02. You have not increased your lot size at all because you wanted to take 0.1 before, but instead of taking 0.1, you decided to take 0.2, 0.02, 0.02, 5 times. And now when you put all the 5 trades together at once, but each of the trades have different targets. The first one, TP1, TP2, second one, TP3, third one, TP4, fourth one, TP5. And then you watch what happened in the market. So now the market starts moving in your favor, and from where you enter here, you got here. So what happened? TP1 is gone. Okay, TP1 is gone here. So you remember that your stop loss, let's say your stop loss was here, so you move your stop loss back to break even where you enter. You move your stop loss to break even. All right, now market is moving in your favor again. You hit TP2. You say, thank goodness, TP2 is gone. Hold on. Okay, TP2 is gone. Then you say, thank goodness, TP2 is gone. You move your trade to TP1 position. Okay, you got your, so the remaining 3 trades, you are still guiding them. Okay, now market move in your favor again, and TP3 is gone. You trail your position by the size of the box. You move your trade again to that level. Okay, and TP4 is gone. Oh, that I deleted that one as well. So you move your trade to that level. Okay, and then you'll be protecting your last trade. So if your last trade didn't, position number 5 didn't hit your take profit target, it will come out here and take you out. So you have closed 4 positions at TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP4, and your last position is taken out at TP4. Excellent. That is one way of doing it, which is very simple. Okay. So you might have other ways of managing that trade. You are welcome to try that as well. I welcome all kind of suggestions and improvement. Okay. We are here to make things better. Okay. No one is the island of knowledge. No one is the island of knowledge, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Thank you so much. Any question? All right. Nice and clear. Okay. Okay, so you put arrows on the candle number 1. Okay, so that it's easy for everyone to know candle number 1. All right. Okay, we'll do that next. In our next example, we'll try that. Thank you for the suggestion, Shimon. You're always coming with a great suggestion, aren't you? Excellent. Good stuff. All right. Let's do one more before we move on. So this one is for new people, right? So if you are here, you are new, this one is for you. So you have to pay full attention, okay? Full attention. Full attention is required here, okay? Just give me a sec. Let me take some water. Full attention is required. All right, so JP USD JPY. So it's for you now if you are new. So I'm going to slow down a little bit just to accommodate new people. I can see we have a lot of people on the channel now. We have 54 people on the channel, which is still growing. All right, so let me zoom in so that you guys can see it properly. I will make it the biggest, okay? So you have been hearing about this box every time we are talking. Box, 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 box. I think we like that word so much that it has become our mantra. Box. So we're giving it different names. Magic box. Hey, somebody gave it a magic box and it seems to be doing that business. And I've seen a lot of people make good adjustment to it. One of the people is on this chart here, okay? Wasame, I think Wasame, yes, Wasame. He's done a brilliant job, you know, he's doing different things, which is welcome, right? So far you are doing SBS, you are really welcome to do it. So now, look at this box. It's just 1 hour of trading, the whole of this box. We are on a 5-minute time frame. If you count this number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 13 candles, all inclusive, okay? Right. So if you look at here, you see where the time start at 9:00. If you look at data window, okay? And where does it finish? Look at data window, 10:00. So it's just 1 hour, okay? Your challenge now is to determine what is that hour on your platform, okay? On your market watch or on your broker time. So for me, I am using IC market. IC market is 2 hours of London time. So the time I'm referring to here is 7 to 8 London time, okay? 7 to 8 London time. And IC market is 2 hours ahead of that. That is why my box will be 9 to 10. So let me show you the indicator. Let me show you the indicator. Somebody's been asking for indicator. It's called sessions. Sessions is the name. When you double click it, you get the property. So the properties are majorly 3 things. 3 sessions you can set: Asia, Europe, USA. All right. So for Asia, 2 to 3 we set. Europe, 9 to 10 we set. USA, we set 14 to 15. Remember that all these times, these are the ones that For GU, we have worked on GU for this one, okay? However, there are different markets and there are different sessions. So these times, if you adjust them on your own and you find it even better, okay, so be it. It is still the same SBS we are using, because the contention of SBS is not just the time. What is special about SBS, it is the trigger candle, okay? So if you use 10 to 11 or something else, but I just want all of us to use something that we can reference to, okay? So if you want to use 9 to 10, you see that majority of people on the Telegram channel will be using that. Okay. Which pair we can trade? Okay, that's a good question. As we said, we started with GU, but we've now moved into nearly every pair. So you got to make a choice of how much you have in your account, how much you can stretch yourself into how many trades. Okay, so now we're gonna make, we just want to show the color of Europe session on the box. So we are going to make Asia color none, so it will not show. USA color none, it will not show. All right, we just want to show this purple color only. All right, so now we get that out of the way. So if you need this indicator, like somebody has asked me that question, go to this Telegram group now, click it and join that Telegram group now and download that indicator. It's there for free. It's called sessions.mq4. And also you can ask some of our guys there, they will answer you. We have veterans, Roberts, you have other people, Kobe, they're all there to help you. Okay, so now that we've defined our box, now the job is to look for the candle. Okay, so like Shimon suggested, let me insert an arrow. Let me insert an arrow here. Okay, oh, it's red. Okay, now we can change the color of the arrow. Let's make it a big arrow and let's make it a white color so we can see very well. Okay, so let's call that arrow number 1. Okay, we can all see arrow number 1 right now. Okay, so arrow number 1 is the first arrow is the one that is after the box. So we are looking for a candle that is outside the box and it's not touching this line. If it is too close for you to know by looking at it, if it's too close that this is almost touching, you are not sure, ignore that candle and move to the next. Okay, I know you can definitely know if you look into the data window to know if you had touched the line or not, but I don't want you to leave it to that minimal checks. If it's too close, just move to the next one. Okay, so let's see the first candle here. This one is not a trigger candle because some of it is inside and some of it is outside, so we are not going to touch it. Okay, it's not our candle. Look at the next one. The next one, we're not sure. Okay, if you look in the data window, it will look definitely that it's not touching. Let's check it out. Let's see at the lowest of this candle. The low of this candle, watch it here, is 107,148. That is the lowest of this candle. And the highest here, which is the highest of this box, the highest of this box is 107,147. So 104,147 should be this line. Okay, is this one higher or lower? 148. So you can see that it is not touching it. It has 0.001 pip gap. If you want to be scientific, right? If you want to be scientific, yes, it is not touching. It is not touching it if you want to be scientific. But if you want to be safe, yes. If you want to be safe and sure and safe, you can just leave it and say, look, it's just too close, man. Let me look for the one that I'm 100% sure that it's not touching. Okay, either of these two, you can pick them But for me, I think scientifically this is the correct one. Okay, let's stick to the correct one. Okay, let's stick to the correct one because this is not touching. Though it looks like it's touching. If I move this line, okay, I'll make this line a little bit thinner. So let's make it smaller so that we can see. Let's make it like that. Okay, can you see better that there's a gap between that candle and that line? There's a small gap, right? So that's why it's not touching. Okay, all right, excellent. Okay, so if you find that candle that is outside the box and it's not touching, that's your trigger candle. So our trigger candle is now this number 2 candle here. And if you find that candle, all you need to do is put your buy position at the close of that candle. Okay, at the close of that candle, that's where you buy from. You buy from this candle here, and your stop loss will be the low of the hour, the lowest of the hour, this box, the lower of that hour. And then your take profit target is the size of this box. So let's measure the box. That's TP1. Okay, TP1 is the size of this box, which is not really much. It's only 10 pips. It just look big because we have zoomed out. Okay, so we have zoomed in. So let's zoom out back. So we went long from here. We're looking for 10 pips. Let's see what we're able to get. I'm sure you will know your suggestion should be right. How many do we get from here? We got 72 pips. 72 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, how many TP is that? Great. That is 72 7 TPs. 7 TP. Yes, that is 7 TP. 7 TPs. TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on a day you don't know how many TP you can get, but you can set yourself some good target. Plan for the best and expect the best. So if you plan, even if you plan 4 TPs initially and you get 4 TP, that's fine. You don't have to take all the 7 TPs. If you plan for 5 TPs, you get 5, that's all right. The 2 will be left. But if you are brave and you have enough money, or you can spread your trades evenly and you get up to 7 TPs, then you just be smiling every time. TP1, grrr, in the bank. TP2, grrr, in the bank. TP3, grrr, in the bank. Grrr, grrr, grrr. You know that sound when something is ringing into your account. Oh, what platform was that? I use a platform. I'm trying to remember the name of that platform. It will be ringing. When you start trading and money is coming in, you'll be hearing that ringtone. Grrr, grrr. It means that your trade has been closed in profit. Great stuff. Oh my goodness. So I hope it is clear now. If you are joining for the first time, that is it. So here we go. That is the Telegram group once more. So you will go there and download the indicator. Any questions? Okay, so no question, right? Okay, we move on. Let's see. Easy has joined. Okay, so a lot of people have already joined the Telegram. Okay, as we speak, when we started, Laurie joined, Max Med joined, Bongani joined, Janaika joined, Kenneth joined, Fortunate joined, Charles joined, FS Rodin joined, Easy joined. Okay, so if you are on here and you have not joined the channel, you cannot get the indicator, I'm afraid, because the indicator is right here. It's looking at you. It says, come get me, I'm here, come get me, I'm here. It's sessions MQ4. There you go. All right, let's quickly browse through some trading today. Okay, let's browse some trading today. Okay, all right. Let's browse some trading today. Okay, this is from Hassan Niham. Okay, Hassan, it traded. It took 8 trades today, and I believe he won 7 and 1 loss. Fantastic day for him. Yeah, and even the loss is a small loss. Okay, even if you have taken 7 trade, win 4, lose 3, and if the losses are not great, it's still a great trade. But it done very well. Well done. Keep it up. Keep it up, mate. Keep it up. Okay, who is this? All right, this is Robert. Robert is on the call. I hope you don't mind me using your stats, Robert. This is Robert on the call here. So he's done his trade. He's taking euro, pound, and Swiss francs, and all seems to be good. So Robert, thank you so much for showing your strategy and for showing your results. We just want to make sure we keep it SBS. We don't want to deviate from it. All right, let's see more results. Let us see more results. Okay, this is Wasame's chart. I like his chart because it looks very clean. You know, very clean. There's no clutter at all. You can make decisions so quick. So he has drawn his Europe. I think that's his Europe. And this is the US. Excellent. Thank you for showing your charts. They are great. Okay. Who else can we showcase today? We want to showcase. Okay. I think this is Wasame again. He's showing some of his last trade he took today. Well done. All right. That's Robert for you there. Okay. And Hula Washel. Okay. He's also showing some. But I can't see here. There's no box here. We want to see the box. If there's no box, then it's not SBS. No box, no SBX. We want to see the SBS strategy. All right, excellent. Okay, this is also Wasame again. Good stuff. All right, excellent. Thank you for showing us all those good trades, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, you know, sometimes we might have losses. So, I've seen people that have losses, they show it. When they have good trade, they show it as well. Excellent. So, join this thing, okay? And you will be glad you did. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you guys remember about the competition. All right, let me quickly show you the competition. We talk about competition. That is FS Blue competition. Okay, let me show you the competition. All right. So there we go. This is the competition here. You go to FS Blue. It's called the Simple Breakout Strategy competition. You click FS Blue competitions, and under pending, you see your Trade Mentor SBS challenge. So SBS challenge, you got to register. We're already 31 in the group. And what is going to happen is everybody will trade the SBS strategy. So you trade your SBS strategy, but first of all, you need to register and join this competition. So how do you do that? When you go to the competition and you click your Trade Mentor SBS challenge, you click join. But if you have not registered with FS Blue, you first of all register, then join this competition. Okay? Be patient with FS Blue. I think their registration process is a little bit complicated. But if you manage to get through the registration, you should just join straight away. Excellent. So it's starting in 2 days' time. I think, yes, on the 1st of July. The rules are here. So the competition is starting on the 1st of July. So be ready. Okay. Be ready for it. So we've talked about some of the rules that you need to use. You can use demo or live accounts. Okay. If you need more information on how to trade SBS, you can go and watch the YouTube channel. Same channel that you are now. There's a lot of videos coverage for the strategy. So we are not going to use EA. No expert advisor will be used. Okay, you should start with a balance of 1,000 US dollar. It could be a demo account or a live account. If you don't have either of those, or you want to use my brokers, I put the link here for you to use that one to open your demo or your live account. Okay, so who is going to be the winner? Simple criteria. The winner is the person that has the biggest return on top of their 1,000 US dollar starts. Okay, if you start with 1,000 and your balance is 1,800 at the end of the day and you are the highest, you win. Okay, so as we said, it's starting in 3 days time. Today is the 29, 30, 31 and the 1st on Wednesday. So it's starting on Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. If you have not registered, it's better to go and do so now. Okay. All right, so what else is important? Okay, so there are 5 prizes to be won. Those are the 5 prizes. Okay. Only one trader cannot win more than 1 prize. Okay, but you can enter multiple times if you wish. All right. Okay, so your payment will go through your PayPal account if you have one. If you don't have PayPal account, we can pay through your bank. All right, thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and join this competition. Let me send you the link to join. Okay, here is the link to join the competition. All right, any questions about the competition before we move on and do more work? No, you don't need to trade only GBP chip PS. You can trade any type of PS you like. Okay, some people have found that Euro PS even better. Euro CAD, Euro JPY, Euro New Zealand, Euro Australia, and so on and so forth. They are good. All right. All right. Okay. All right, when are we going to have sessions MQ5? Yes, there is session MQ5. Let me show you. There is a session MQ5. It's called iSessions. There we go. That is iSessions MQ5. It's on the Telegram. So if you want session MQ5, it's on the Telegram. Okay. All right. What else? What else? Could we please next time trade a live trade while the market is moving? Okay, we can try that. In fact, we are moving to a different platform, and that is exactly what we are going to do there. And moreover, you can only trade a box at a particular time of the day, Please, I couldn't find simple intraday trading video on YouTube any longer. It's been migrated to yourtradementor.com now. Okay, competition. Okay, so the MQ5 is here. All right, anyone that won the MQ5 is there. All right, thank you so much. You'll be a winner, Mika. All right, we'll see. It's not by talking. It's not the talk. It's the action. We want the action. All right, if you can do it, why not? Give it a go. All right, so that is it. MQ4 is here and the MQ5 is there. So MQ4, MQ5. Download whichever that suits you. All right, thank you so much. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the order that you've been waiting for is here now. We talk about yourtradementor.com. A lot of people already joined this tradementor.com. This is a website where I will be the host. I will be hosting you. You are going to be my guest. You are my guest of honor. So I am here waiting for you to come and join me. I've prepared a fantastic platform. All you are seeing here, they are just the front end. When you log in into the platform, then you will see what I've prepared for you. There are lots of resources there, especially videos that you can use. And apart from that, I've also created a store for you. Okay, this store I created for you. All right, anyone can access it, but they will pay for it. So if you come here without registering and you want anything in my store, you will pay whatever money you find there. $50 if you want it, you will pay that. And this store is just starting. It will start to grow and become bigger and bigger and bigger. And we're going to add more products to it. But the good news is that if you are a member of this tradementor.com, the day you register, or maybe the following day you register, you will get a welcome email from me, personally received from me, and I will send you a coupon. I will send you a coupon code that when you click any of these products, either one or two or all of them, if you click any of these products, add it to your basket and use the coupon I gave you, it will reduce your money from $50, not to $40, not to $30, not to $20, not to $10. It will remove it completely. You pay zero, because you are a member. But the question is, how do you become a member, right? So how do you become a member to benefit from all these packages? Because as you can see, there's a lot of advantages to it. Okay, so we have three main packages. All right, so we have the three main packages. Okay, I know people are talking about this money here and that money there. Let me explain what it is for you. Okay, everybody will pay $50. You can see everybody pays $50 to be member. Okay, there's nobody's paying $500 or $200. This $200 is for personal mentorship. Personal mentorship, 2 hours. You can see it here, 2 hours of personal mentorship with me. And this $500 is 6 hours or 3 days. So me and you, we are going to sit together for solid 3 days, 2 hours each time. Okay, and we will discuss about your trade plan, about strategies, about looking your past results and turning things around for you. That is like personal coaching, personal tutor, one-on-one. Not 3 people, not 5 people, not 10 people, me and you, 2 people. So that's that for. But after that, you don't have to pay anything again other than the normal renewal. But the good news now, ladies and gentlemen, is that for this silver package, right? For this silver package, I've got something nice to give you. Okay, for that silver package that you are looking at now, I've got something nice to give you. That silver package will not cost you $50. It will only cost you $10. $10. Why? Because I want all of you here to join. You know, if you remember a few days ago, I said to you that you will not tell me, oh, Dare, I couldn't join your group. And I say, why? He said, it's because I don't have money. Okay, so is there any excuse anymore not to join? I have reduced it to $10. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you a code. All right, so I'm going to look for the code and I'll give you the code. So if you use that code as we speak, right, if you go there and use that code, you are going to get a discount of 80%. Trust me. On this platform, on this live session, I can count the number of people that already use the code. They already log in and they already enjoying it. So I will give you your chance as well to put in the code, and then you can register as we speak. Okay, just give me a second because I will have to go and dig out the code for you. I will go and look for the code for you. Okay, but you got to use it. Okay, and please, this code is for only internet people. It's not on YouTube. I've not posted it on the internet. I'm just giving it to you right now. So, and it has expiry date, because once it's expired, I'm afraid it's expired. There's nothing we can do. Okay? So you live in the UK. That's fine. All right. So here is the code. So here is the code. So all you need to do is you go into the platform as I showed you earlier. Okay? You go here. Either you click Start Mentorship. But remember, that code applies to the $50 package, okay? The first one. It will reduce it from $50 to $10 only if you use it. If you use it tonight, you will get it. So go there now, just say register, or you don't even need that, just say Start Mentorship. So when you say Start Mentorship, it will go here. You put your name here, your first name, your last name. This is very important. Choose your time zone. It's very important. Please, because this is used for mentorship. When you book a mentorship program, you want to book it in your right time zone. So for me, I will look for Europe. If you are in Asia, you look for Asia. So if you are in Africa, you look for Africa. So I'm in Europe and I'm in London, so I will look for Europe until I get to Europe, London. So be careful, be patient. You will find it. You will find your session there, London. Yeah, this is mine. This is my session here. This is my time. Okay, every country is there, or your time zone is there. So make sure you pick the right time zone. Also pick the right country here, country code. That's easy. So this is country code. Put your phone number there. You click next. Okay, so let's say here I put my name here. Okay, and I'm Europe, London. I put my phone. I put my phone there and I go next. Okay, so now it will ask me what's referral ID. I don't need the referral ID if I'm joining for the first time. The reason is that if you are a member already, you have a referral ID you can use to invite other people. And when you invite other people, you gain some dollars. Okay, so you have your referral code. You can, if you invite 10 people, for example, and they all sign up, you get dollars for each of your invitation. So you put your email address, you put your referral ID. Let's say my email address is that. I got plenty of email addresses. Let's say that's my email address. Let's say I have a password that looks like that. Let's say I have a password that looks like that. And I click next. Okay, so when I click next, I come here. Look at, that's the silver package you are talking about. That is the silver package. You see, it is $50. So you are going to put that code, the code I just gave you. You put that code there. If you don't have that code, you have to pay $50. But if you have the code, you put the code there and click apply. Apply discount. And when you click apply discount, you wait for the discount to be applied. You can see it says discount applied. Okay, and when you say okay, look at the magic. Check out the magic. Okay. Wow, so from $50 you have got a discount of $40, and right now you got to pay only $10 for the entire month, for the whole month. Okay, so there you go, complete registration. Okay, so you click complete registration. So you choose which, we have a PayPal, but the PayPal is not just the email PayPal. If you click complete registration, okay, so when you get to PayPal, you can either use the PayPal as we know it, the email, or you can use your debit or credit card. So if you use credit or debit card, you click that and you will complete your credit card and debit card information, and then you click pay. It will only take $10 from your account, and that's for the entire month. So I've given you that code now. So I think the right thing to do now is to get there and use that code. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you will have a wonderful sessions inside the platform. All right, so let's do more work. Let's do more work. Then, what time period should I set for Asian box? You live in the UK, okay? Right, let's do that now. So what we do is we are going to make the indicator. Okay. The indicator is going to be Asian session. So let's turn it on. Let's turn the Asian session on, and let's turn the US session on. Let's call that, let's put it at plum. Okay. Oh, we haven't turned this color on. Let's turn it on. Let's put it this color. Okay, so you got that color for Asia, purple for America, plum for purple for Europe, plum for America, and sea green for Asia. All right, we apply that. Okay, have you seen? You've seen now. So this is American session, this is Europe session, and this is Asian session. So make your pick. Which one do you want to trade? Which do you want to trade? That's American session. So let's look at this. So for today, you will do well in Asia. Okay, you will do well in Europe, and you will do extremely well in the US today on this currency pair. This is USD Japanese yen. Let's see what happened yesterday. It was good also, as you can see, for American session. Also fantastic for Europe. And I think we had a false, probably one false signal on Asia, but you got a good signal again after that. Then the day before, let's check the day before. The day before, American was a big box. Okay, so even if you gone into it, you still make some good money. Okay, Europe for yesterday, you had probably a break-even trade here, and probably another break-even trade over there. Okay, Asian session is better because you can go long here and see it doesn't come back to your stop loss, and you'll have closed TP1, TP2. The day before that is fantastic for US, break even for Europe, and for Asia probably TP1. So that is how you back test. Look, the previous day is wonderful for America, is okay for Europe, maybe TP1, and for Asia it is fantastic because here you could have make your TP1 here, and when you come back going long, you make another TP1, TP2. Okay, so on and so forth. So that is how you backtest this strategy. Okay, you just go through all these days and see how it perform. Okay, so you can drop any pair, any currency pair, you can drop it on it and just check it out. How does it work? How does it perform? When you have a box like this, just avoid it. I don't think I need to tell you that this is a news trading. That's a news time. So avoid box like that. Okay, avoid box like that. All right, thank you. What's the code again? All right, the code is this. That's the code, and let me give you the website. So the website you are looking for, if I find it for you, ladies and gentlemen, it's called yourtradementor.com. Okay, so it's called yourtradementor.com. Okay, that's the website you are looking for. And when you get there, put that code. It will give you 80% discount instantaneously. Okay, so let's do more work. Let's do more work, ladies and gentlemen. I want to work. No food for the lazy hands. No food for the lazy hand. All right. Let's do work. So who wants to see what? I want to know the time that you said used to 9 to 10 for UK. So what time should you use for Asia and US? Okay. Let me open the box again. Let me open the box again. Hang on. Let me open the box again. So I go to indicator, sessions. I've opened the box again. You can see the box. Okay. So if you like, you can copy those times down. All right, because your question is a great question. Okay, you can copy the box, the time down. So Europe is 9 to 10, Asia is 2 to 3, America is 14 to 15. Okay, but remember that if you find a better time, okay, it could be personal to you. If you find a better time and you have back tested it and it works, you are still going to be using breakout box, because the important thing about breakout box is the way we trade it. We don't just trade because something has crossed a line. We don't just trade. We wait for our trigger. Okay, that is why we call it our SBS trigger. Okay. All right. Who wants to see something else? Okay, to eradicate fake breakout. Okay. Currently, the way I think you can work is choose peers, group peers together. So, for example, you know, GBP USD, for example, GBP CAD, GBP Australia, GBP Chef, and all those, they are one group of trades or peers, a group of peers. So you don't pick all the 5 together at the same time, okay? Because what happens is, if it is good for GBP that day, it will be fantastic for all the 5 of them. But if it's bad, it will probably be bad for 5 of them. So pick one of the group. Then Europe, you have Euro USD, Euro CAD, Euro JPY, Euro New Zealand, Euro Australia, and Euro CAD. So this group also, pick one of them. You go to Australia, Australia CAD, Australia New Zealand, Australia Japanese yen, Australia GBP, and so on and so forth. So, or GBP Australia. Then that group, you pick one of it. So you try and spread your risks. So that is one way of avoiding multiple false breakout. Because if one has a false breakout, the likelihood that the rest of that group may have a false breakout as well. Okay, any question? JP225, JP225, JP225. Where are you? Here we go. All right, so this is JP225. JP225. Is it today? Let's go to today. Wow. Today is this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is Asia market. And that's Asia market for JP225. Hey, we haven't seen this JP225 man. Oh, Flanders not been here for a while. Okay, if you know him, if you see him, tell him that we miss him. Okay, so here it will have given us a false breakout. Okay, and it will have probably stopped us out, except you have added maybe 1 or 2 pips on top. Okay, but here you will have got back in and make your TP1 at least. Then for Europe, good trade. You could have gone in somewhere. Okay, that is a breakout candle. You could have gone out there and make maybe your TP1. And for USA, okay, for USA, you move your line to the bottom there and your line to the top. As you can see on this occasion, you will have got a false breakout, but at the same time you will recover back. So guys, don't be scared too much of false breakout. We should try and limit it, definitely 100%. But as you can see, everywhere you find a false breakout, don't run away. Stay close, stay composed. When you got a false breakout, stay composed, because once you break to the other side of your trade, most likely is moving ahead. So don't be timid. You still have to follow the train. So when the train changes station, you continue to stay with it. Okay, that's another way of reducing your or increasing your chances of coming out at the end of the week with a lot of pips. Okay, so that's JP225. Is that all? Let's see. Finally, JP225. Let's see what we did about it. Okay, so yes, America give one false breakout, but we make it up here. Anybody else? Yes, the discount is for, yeah, it's for the first payment. Yes, first payment only discount. Yes, the first payment you are going to pay only $10. Okay. What else can we look at? And what else can we look at? Let's look at Aussie dollar. What about Aussie dollar? Okay, is this today? This is today. Okay. All right. Aussie dollar. All right. You haven't done much work today. You are cold. Yeah. Fingers on the buzzer. Fingers on the buzzer. You are cold. You are going to do some work. Come and do some work now. It's a time of work. Where is it? Oh, all right. Let me make sure. Okay. All right. This is what we are looking for. We're looking for this one here. Okay. Fingers on the buzzer. All right. This is a test. Okay. So the person that's asking, why do I start number one from which candle? So, you know, I can decide to start it from anywhere, but wherever the candle lies, whatever the trigger candle number is, you just have to tell me what that number is. You have to know that number correctly. So it doesn't matter where I start from. If you know how to figure out the trigger candle, just tell me what the number of the trigger candle is. So let's insert what arrow. According to Shimon, it says insert arrow. All right, let's insert arrow. Okay, where should we start one? Where should our arrow start? Okay, we decide to start it from here. You see, I can start it from here. I can start it just to give you a reference point. Okay, that's number one. What's the trigger candle, please? That's number one. Tell me the trigger candle number, please. Fingers on the buzzer. Trigger candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which one? Which one? Give me the answer now. Hey, look at the superstar. Yes, I think this is a good way of letting you guys decide for yourself. Zen 5. Jayes, what happened? Where have you been hiding, man? Wow, this is one of my veterans. Are you coming late? I'm gonna find you, Jayesh. I am going to find you. Simple 5. Adekule 6. Okay, we shall see. Remember that arrow is number 1. Okay, so count number 1 from the arrow. Okay, Robert 5. Tanga FX 10. SKKKKB 5. Brian 5. Etweruna 5. Yeah, you are here. Where have you been, Jayesh? Where have you gone to? You travel. You're making money too much. You're making money too much. You forgot that we are here tonight. Yeah? Oh, great stuff. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, let's see who's right. Let's see who's right. Okay. Now, this is number 1 here is wrong because it's touching the line. Number 2 is absolutely wrong. It's inside. Number 3 is absolutely wrong. It's still inside. Number 4 is one way out, one leg in, one leg out. It's not our candle. So if you tell me your answer is number 5, what do you get? You get applause from me. You get applause from me. You are right. Number 5 is your answer because it's the one that's absolutely outside of the box. You see, ladies and gentlemen, your box, where you put it right, doesn't really matter. Let's just say we decided to put our box 1 hour ahead, okay? Let's say we decide to put it 10 to 11, just for argument's sake. I want to tell you something about the SBX itself that makes it unique, okay? So let's say we decide to move it 1 ahead. You didn't even notice that we have moved it, did you? You didn't notice that we moved it. I've just moved it. Look, it's still almost staying in the same place. Still same place, just a little difference. Yeah. Actually, the height is still the same. Why is it like that? No. That's not. No. I think yes, it's this one here. Right. So let me. Yeah. Because I was looking at this here. There. Okay. So this is the one I just moved. So let's say you want to find a trigger candle for this. Even though I've moved it, it used to be somewhere around here before. Now I've moved it. Now fingers on the buzzer again, because I want to set you a test. So the test is not testing where the box is located. It's not testing the time of the box or anything, or the box location. It's testing whether you know how to find the trigger candle. Okay, so I'm going to draw my two lines again, and I'm going to put my arrow in one of the line. And as soon as I put the arrow, I want you to tell me the trigger candle number. Okay. All right. Where should we put the candle? Okay, now I'm going to use the up candle this time. Insert, I'm going to use the up candle, arrow, up arrow, I mean. So let me confuse you a little bit more, right? All right, let's see if you're going to get it. That is my number one. That is the one I decide. Let me make sure that you can see it. Yeah, not another one. So that's the one I decide is my number one. Let me move this away so that you can see. Oh no, I don't need to move it because you need it. So you need it. That's my number one. So which one is your trigger candle? Right. Which one is your trigger candle? Okay, 8-hour shift. Wow. That's good. It's good to work hard. Thank you. Working hard. Hard-working man. Good. All right, welcome. You haven't missed much. I'm sure you know all this already. You are only joining us out of love. That's great. Thank you so much. All right, so we're waiting for the answers, please. Jayes, 7. Shepu, 6. Zain MK, 6. Let's keep it coming. Adekunle, 5. Robert, 7. Okay. All right. This one. I like this one. There's a lot of different answers. Okay. Tanga FX, 6. Brian, 6. Paul, 5. I like different answers. Okay. Keep it coming. 2 more. SKKB, 6. And one more before we tell you the answer. Okay, Etwana, 6. Okay, let's see. Now, definitely, I know no one is going to say 1 because it's rubbish. It's actually still in the box. Number 2 is rubbish. It's still in the box. Number 3 is rubbish. It's still in the box. Number 4 is rubbish. Half of it is inside, half of it is outside. Number 5 is still touching the line. Ladies and gentlemen, what did you see? Number 6. Number 6 is completely outside. Outside the box. Outside the box. Number 6 is outside the box. So our answer is number 6. So if you say number 6, congratulations, you are right. If you say number 5, I will forgive you. Reason being, it is very close to call, okay? Sometimes you are not sure whether it's crossing and you are not doing forensic science. You are not doing forensic science with the data window to check it. So I will pardon you if you say number 6. And 5, but number 6 seems to be the one that is absolutely sure. All right. That is a test which majority of you passed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, so we're going to round up very shortly. Any more questions? Any more questions? If you have not been to yourtradementor.com, this is your chance to be there. Most of the time when I post this, yourtradementor.com, I always tell you, don't go there. It's not time yet. But now it's time to go there now. Free to go there. Browse whatever you want to browse. Unfortunately, if you are not a member, you cannot get the products, okay? You cannot buy anything. You can buy the product, but you have to pay the money you are seeing there, okay? You pay the whole amount. But if you apply this discount, you are going to get 80% off. So remember that discount code. Okay, it's available tonight. It's available if you get, either if you do it now or maybe when you are available to do it. Just put it there, but remember to click apply discount. When you click apply discount, wait. You must wait for the information to come up and says discount applied. And when you say okay, it will then remove $40 from that bill, and you only have $10 to pay. Okay, so you get the $10 for the whole entire month for 31 days to go on the platform, log in with your username and password, browse and browse and browse. And when you're tired of browsing, yeah, and look all the resources that are there, I'm sure that nothing less than 30, 40, even 50 videos are there. Probably maybe around that numbers or something like that. So when you log in there, you will see. But remember, this is just the beginning. Okay, going forward, you will have more and more and more, okay, resources. So if that is not enough, you can go to the store here. Now that you have registered, I will send you a personal email same day or a day after you register, depending on the time of the day. And when you get my email, I will include a coupon. So that coupon will give you 100% discount. This time around, you are not going to pay $10. No, you are going to pay $0. Zero for all of this. All of this, you are going to pay $0 for them. Yeah, all of this you are going to pay zero because you are a member. But if you are not a member, you come in, you will pay $50 for each of this. And also, you can go to the blog. If you are a blogger, who is a blogger here? If you know how to blog, if you're a blogger, I welcome you to come and join me, to bring content. I love to hear from you. I love to see what you can write. I like to showcase your talent. So if you're a blogger, we have quite a few number of topics. I would say you can write the topics that you want. Just let me know. I'm sure I can post it for you, and even if you want to quote your name on it, I could put your name there for you as it's your blog. So how to win big in the forex market. So you can ask that question and you can see the answer. The pros and cons of trading with expert advisors. Learn from the best mentors and don't repeat their mistakes. Can I make money in forex trading? Forex versus stock trading. These are very good topics. When is the best time to trade the forex exchange market? Multiple time frame analysis. You are going to get 20 essential tips how to become a successful forex trader. And loads and loads and loads. A powerful trading strategy for making consistent pips. Analysis is the key to success for forex trading. And even second page. So if you are interested in blogging, don't hesitate to contact me. Yes. So you are right. The first payment is $10, and after that, after 31 days, you can renew if you want. If you don't want to renew, you are not going to be forced to renew, and the renew is not going to be automatic. Okay, it's not going to be automatic. You are going to decide for yourself if you want to continue. But I'm sure, I am 100% sure, absolutely sure that no one will leave that platform. No one will leave that platform because people that have been there already, they've already said to me that that is the best platform they've ever been. And they've been to many places to trade. So for the coupon code, here it is. That is the coupon code. You can just apply it right now. It's active. In the afternoon on the Telegram group, a few people said it was not working. But we discovered that when they use it on their mobile phone, it works. But on their laptop, it doesn't work. So please, if it doesn't work on your laptop or vice versa, try the other method, either phone or laptop, whichever one that is convenient. Okay, it can work on both. The discount can work on laptop, and the discount also can work on a mobile device, either iPad or tablet or whatever. Okay, so it's full of resources, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you so much. It's been great to have you today. Don't forget it is at yourtradementor.com. So let's all go back there. So finally, I will end up with this Telegram channel. So if you are looking for the indicator, you know where it is. For MT5, this is it, I sessions. For MT4, this is it, sessions MQ4. But remember that this is the one that I use because I have MT4 platform, so I don't really use the MT5. So please be aware that the settings might be different from the settings for MT4. So people have told me that they have more available sessions. Like the MT4, you have only 3 sessions to set. You have the Asia, Europe, and America. I think with this one, it looks like there are more sessions. You can set Sydney, you can set Japan, you can set Asia, you can set a whole lot of different ones. Okay, so that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you had a good time today. Any more questions before we round up? Before we close for the day? Oh yes, Omar. Look, Mohammed, I'll drop everything to answer your question. In fact, until I answer your question, we are going nowhere. Give it a go. Give me the question. Bring it on. All right, bring it on, Omar. All right, I'm waiting for you. Bring the question on, please. Ask your question, Mohammed Omar. All right, quick before we round up. Okay, so Jayes, hello, payment, it is dollars or you can do it in pounds. Yes, you can do it in any currency, yeah. So when you get to the credit card or debit card, you select which currency you want. Actually, if you pay in pound, it will just convert it. So it will do it seamlessly. It's just like you go to any website and they are selling something in dollars, but you are using your Barclays card or you are using your Santander or you are using your Lloyds Bank if you're in the UK. Once you put the card on, the merchant will convert it for you at the current rate. So no problems at all, you can do that. Okay, another means of payment. Okay, 2 means of payment at the moment is debit or credit card, or you use your PayPal email address. So either way, we've seen a lot of people from different countries that have registered. People that are worried that maybe they will not be able to register, Nigeria especially. At least we have loads of people from Nigeria that have registered. A lot of them have registered. So that's why I know that it's working. It's working for most places. Okay. No, there's no bank charges at all. The only thing is they will charge the merchant. So out of whatever that you pay, out of $10 that you pay, they still charge me. They still charge me. PayPal will charge you about 6%. Terrible. They were sitting at home and they just collecting money. They just sitting at home making money, and we are trading fresh and sweating our life out. Goodness me. All right, Mohammed. Well, your question is not coming. What's happening? You're not asking your question again. I'm waiting for your questions, please. You are special, so I don't want to miss your question. All right. Good stuff. So have you all joined Telegram yet? Is everybody on Telegram? Because if you are not there on Telegram, you are actually missing out. Okay? Because right now, let me tell you how many are there right now. Okay? Let's refresh it. Let's refresh it. We now have 114. 1,114. So since we started, we see quite a lot of people have joined since. Oh, okay. So this one, which of the indicator is this? This MQ5. Greg, is Greg on the call? Okay, I want to explain what happened to you. Okay, Greg, is Greg on the call? If Greg is on the call, is this MT4 or MT5? So if it is MT4, what you need to do is change your time frame. Let me see. Okay, it's using 5 minutes. This is empty. This is MT4, right? Is this MT4? This is MT4. This is MT4. So why is it like that? Except you show your properties. If you show the properties of the indicator, then will tell you what is wrong. Okay, maybe this is the property. Let's say 11 to 17. Look at this, man. Look, you started at 6 o'clock and you end up at 3 o'clock. So your start point is higher than your end point. That is wrong. It should be the other way around. You should start at a lower time and end at a higher time. That's why you got it all wrong. This also is wrong. That also is wrong. Okay, so you must look at the sessions that we post on the channel and you set your stop your accordingly. So that's why it's wrong. Okay, thanks for showing the properties. Anyway, without that we might struggle. All right, so we see a lot of people have joined. PK Pakistans have joined. Thank you so much. Yeah, fractal. So what happened is we are going to be putting some indicators as well here. You can go here under files. You can try and see if you can find fractals, but I don't think anybody put it there yet. Fractals. I don't think any fractals is there. You have pivot point, trend dash. I think that trend dash is very good. Very good. A lot of people are using different type of things to just mark their to wield out first breakout and the rest. All right. Okay. Right. Any more questions from anybody? Mohammed. Okay, so Mohammed, I've waited for you for so long to tell me the question, but you haven't. So maybe we'll do it next time. It needs to change the high range to true, to the lines to be minimized. Okay, okay, all right. High range. Okay, is that which indicator? Let me see. High range. Show price. Where's the high range? Okay, yes. I think it's the time. The time is wrong. Is the other way around. For example, if he wants Asia to be 7 to 11, it will be 7:11. But that is even wrong because it depending on his broker. I don't know his broker or the broker's time. So this one will be 3 to 6 if he wants to do it that way. This will be 8 to 12. So it will be 8, 12, 3, 6, 7, 11 if that is the time he wants to use. Okay? All right. Excellent. Great stuff. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that no one is reading your message. We've been asking you question a long time. We are not hearing anything from you. Where's the message? The message is not showing up. You say you have a question and we're waiting for it. You don't know why it keeps giving error message. Which one is giving error message, Emmanuel? Okay, thank you, Seppo, for that. That's a good suggestion you made. I think, yes, it's in the error. Okay. Mohammed, no one is reading your message. Maybe it's not posted here. We've been waiting for your question long. It's not showing here, Mohammed. All right. We're trying to read your message. Maybe it's not going from your end. Okay, no one has seen the message here at all. All right, thank you so much. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Any more questions? I want to make sure that we answered every question that has come. Okay. Okay, so Neoma is saying, any ideas on the best pairs to trade during the Asian session for the strategy? Asian session, I know quite a lot of people have used JP225 successfully. They have used even gold. They've traded gold. So try, and I did both and Telegram too. Okay, Telegram. Let's see where your question is on Telegram. Mohammed. I'm scrolling Telegram now. I think all of us can see Telegram. Let me look. Telegram. Where is the Mohammed? Mohammed Omar. I can't see your question here at all. See, this is where the program started. program started here. I'm going down. Let's see, Muhammad. Muhammad, any question from Muhammad? Anyone? Any question from Muhammad? Anybody see any question from him? No. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, everybody. I will talk to you again very shortly. I hope all goes well with you. Thank you so much because you have been wonderful. You have been fantastic. You have been great. So, it's time to become your tradementor.com subscriber because a lot is happening inside there. So, thank you so much. Terima kasih. Okay, all right, Emmanuel. Okay, someone is going to help you inside the Telegram group. So with your payment, okay? I've seen that before. Just come into the Telegram group and request for help. We are going to help you out and sort it out for you. Okay, so Terima Kashi. Okay. Eyalama. Spasiba. Shiabonga. Burona Notei. Undewo. Nidi Maba. So how can we say that in your language? Good night or thank you. What is it in your language? Because I'm going to call it out next time. Once more. Terima Kashi. Right? Yalama. Spasiba. Siabonga is South Africa, as you know. Bona Notei. And Dewo is Nigeria. And Dini Maiba. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to have deal with you and speak to you tonight. Take care and God bless you.